Hello friends, so this video, please pay attention how the information I'm just going to share to you. So first thing this morning, a lot of shoppers on my channel who shop at like 7 o'clock in the morning, like first thing, they are the early morning couponers. Lots of shoppers were saying to me, they're like, hey, everything is ringing up for full price, not the sales price, plus register rewards, extra Walgreens cash for the different weekly deals it's not printing, or I'm not receiving it. Something is definitely wrong with the system. And I think I had 4 people before 8 o'clock tell me this. So I went to the store around 9 o'clock, and sure as sunshine, I brought a couple items up to the cash register that I knew was part of a sales promotion this week, scanned in my card, started scanning items, and everything was ringing up full price. So do not go shopping today because the system has not updated. This happens maybe 3 times a year on a Sunday of a new month, and it's happening right now, which is Sunday, June the 26th. What I would do, guys, is this thing might get fixed at 4 o'clock today, because in the past times this has happened, usually around 3-4 o'clock it gets fixed. Definitely watch social media, including this video, in the comments. I know there are some shoppers that are going to moonwalk by a Walgreens and probably ask a cashier very nicely to either use their handheld scanner or to bring something up at the cash and scan it. And if you could leave your state and the time and let us know, and when it starts working, we'll definitely know, and I'll share it with you guys as a pinned comment on this video, or I'll also post it on my Instagram. If you wish to follow me over there, it's in the description. So alternatively, you can also wait till Monday, June the 27th. Sometimes when a new month rolls around, what happens is items are not keyed in or they're not programmed in, and this is from head office. So items ring up for full price, and then any sort of offer like buy 4, get a $6 register reward, not going to happen. The easiest test for you guys is to grab one of these 25 load tides that are part of a promotion of buy 4, get back a $6 register reward. This tide that all of you have seen in the store, Mr. Orange, pick one up. It's the 25 loads for $5.49. Go to the front, ask for a price check. If it's ringing up for $7.49, that is full price. Just say, oh, I'd like to see what the price of this is, and then you'll know. Because I know some of you, you don't have the easiest stores. Others, you could say, hey, a friend of mine is having issues at her store. Is this ringing up for the sales price? Hey, get creative. Alternatively, if you don't want to mess around at the store, I would wait till Monday the 27th. Despite this messiness, guys, there's lots of digital coupons that I'm going to encourage you to load, because we have 2 offers now for free Garnier shampoo. The Garnier is 2 for $7. We have a $3 digital now for the whole blends. And when you buy this, you get back a $4 register reward, part of a monthly or part of a weekly promotion. So it is for both the whole blends and the fructis. So we're actually going to get 4 bottles of free shampoo. Remember, because the $4 register reward is printing for both offers, you must do them in separate transactions, in store only. So the other one was for whole blends, and this one is for the fructis, and it's a 3 off 2. So that is 4 bottles of free shampoo. So this week is already stacking up to be pretty awesome when you have 4 bottles of free shampoo. I also know a lot of you love Olay, like that is your thing, and you're always like, I need an Olay deal. Well, we got you covered with this. We have a 10 off of 5 and then a 5 off of 3. The 10 off of 5 is good till the 23rd of July. Load it. You have nothing to lose, and we will find a body wash deal sooner than later. And then a whole bunch of very, very generous oral care product coupons. Like I think there was even a 6 off of 4 or something like that. We have this 5 off of 3, a 4 off of 3. Just load them all. You never know when you're going to need them. And if they're double dipping like they were last week, my gosh, that's going to be really fantastic. Another coupon that I would load right away are these ASO supplements. So we have both a store coupon, which is the IVC, plus a manufacturer, and I think this is like $11 and some change in the store, so it'll be super uber cheap. So load these coupons and just read through the comments, either social media, come back to this video, read the pinned comment. But a lot of people are having issues. If you really are so inclined to go to your local store, do the little tide test and tell us the state that you're in and if it's working or not. We'll figure this out one way or another, guys. But the worst thing is if you would go and buy $40 of stuff that's going to ring up for like $92 $2 and you get nothing back for it, and it's a big, hairy mess. You absolutely don't want that. Okay, so we'll stay on top of this. There's a lot of moving parts. It happens once in a while, and I'd rather be showing you guys a haul video, but let's keep our heads together, and it's looking like a Monday haul for Walgreens, but it's going to be fantastic. We got 4 bottles of free shampoo, some free oral care. It's going to really come together. We just have to wait for Monday to roll around. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.